great trading day, guys. Welcome. Markets were down, not by a lot. All right. So markets were down today. We'll go over that. All right. But welcome. Okay. So let's get right into it. If you guys look here, so the Dow, guys, was down 61 points, not a lot. All right. NASDAQ was down 59 points. S&P was down, Russell was down. So across the board, equity markets were down today. Now, it's not a big deal right now. All right, we'll pay attention to it. The goal is to get past resistance, sellers. Okay, VIX moved up a bit, trading at 1588. Okay, so as you guys know, we're watching the S&P. And we're specifically tracking the spiders, the SPY. And here we are, guys. Okay, we talked about that price could slow down, right at resistance here. So we're getting a bit of that, but again, not a big deal. Okay, so the goal now for the S&P is to break through that resistance, all right, which is all-time highs right here, and give us a buy signal. All right, on the daily time frame, So S&P still intact, even with a bit of selling today. Okay. So S&P down for the day. The NASDAQ, the QQQ. So you see the NASDAQ right here, but the QQQ also finished down. Let's take a look at it here. All right. Now, same thing we're looking at. All right. We're looking for, all right, still in the markup phase. Good trend. Buyers are coming in here. Again, resistance is right here. All right. On the Qs. On the Dow. So we closed on the Dow, guys, at 40,083. So we're above 40,000. That's good. So we're holding above 40,000 on the Dow. And the DIA, the diamonds, all right, here we are. Right here, right at that resistance, all-time highs. Okay, so guys, a couple of days of buying, we could break through the all-time highs on the Dow. Absolutely just amazing. Okay, price action, here we are in summer months, in August. Amazing price action. Okay. All right. So again, although we've had a little selling today, not a big deal. And the Russell, your IWM, so small caps. Remember, S&P, NASDAQ, those are going to be your large cap stocks, right? Your Mag 7s will be in those. Small caps, right? Your smaller companies will be in the Russell, the IWM. Okay. All right, so we broke through that resistance, tough resistance here, broke through a long, all right, consolidation in here. All right, buyers are coming in. No buy signal yet, but boy, if we can get up in this area here, we could see small caps move higher, okay? As far as the sectors, we've seen more sectors getting some buy-in, all right? So we've got sectors in here. All right, so we're almost halfway where we got half of the sectors that are down and the other half that are up. Okay, so the goal is to really see the market move higher. We need to get this price action, right, to break through, buyers to break through resistance, all right, hopefully give a buy signal, and then we need more of these sectors to get in play. And then we'll look to start buying, getting in positions. Okay, the dollar. Let's take a look at the dollar, guys. The dollar really broke lower. Okay, really broke lower. Now we've got some shorts in play in the dollar. All right, so you guys remember, right? A while back, we were looking for the dollar to break through that resistance, right? Met a lot of resistance that failed. All right, we got a sell short signal here on a break of support, right? It broke support right here. And guess what? All right, it's working out so far, the short trade. So sell short signal here, and here we are moving lower, guys. We've broken through support right here. Next target for the dollar. Now the dollar is at 101. Okay, now it came from a resistance all the way up here at 105. So 101 here. Next support. Now this isn't major support. We do have a low here. We do have some support here. Okay, but your real support will be all the way down here at about 98. Okay, so based on the price action here, again, you might find support here. Okay, however, real support will come all the way down here. That will help the equity markets, and that will help also the yen pairs. Okay, so remember, as the dollar moves lower, the yen pairs should move higher. Okay, so we are finally getting some movement. We were stuck, all right, in a tight consolidation, tight range bound for a long time. Finally, the dollar index is moving lower. Okay, let's see here. The Magnificent Seven. We don't really need to look. Nothing really happened today in the Magnificent Seven. They're just holding. Okay, so we'll take a look at, perhaps if the market is up tomorrow, we'll take a look at those. Big picture on the dollar, guys. If you guys look here, this is selling coming in on the dollar index. So as the dollar is moving lower, right, we'll focus a bit more on the dollar now that it's moving. Okay, so on the weekly time frame, big picture, guys. Okay, dollar's coming down. All right, let's move this right in here. All right, right about, hold on. Right about here. Okay, doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, so look here. So the target here is support right here at 100. All right, this is on the weekly time frame, so weekly charts. Look at all that selling on the dollar, right? So here is support. If we break through that support, guys, on the weekly time frame, guess what? All right, this is where we had really good resistance. All right, really good resistance. Here, resistance becomes support. If we don't find support here, boy, the dollar could go much lower, okay? All right, so our monster scalper traders, Forex dominator traders, just be in position for the dollar short trade. Hey, Anthony, welcome. Welcome, Anthony, welcome. All right, so just keep that in mind. Let's go through current positions, okay? So now current positions in monster scalper, okay? And as you guys know, for a while, we didn't have any shorts, but guess what? We have some shorts. All right, so long positions in monster scalper. Let's go through those. Okay, so long positions in monster scalper on the 60-minute time frame. On the 60-minute time frame. New Zealand Swiss. Let's go through those. Okay, so that position close. Buy signal was right here, guys. All right, buy signal was right here on a break of resistance, held support. Sell signal came in up here on a break of support right here. Red candle, white arrow here, close the trade. Hey, Tamara, welcome. All right, so NZD CHF, buy signal here, sell signal, red candle, white arrow here, close your trade, please, on the 60-minute time frame, okay? Aussie Swiss also closed the trade. Buy signal was right here, guys, right on a break of resistance. All right. Now we got out here, got back in, but guess what? Hit support right here. Red candle closed the trade. So we're hoping to get a bigger move in these Aussie pairs. All right. So close the trade, please. We have a few yen pairs. Oh my goodness. So Swiss yen. All right, buy signal was here, guys. Sellers came in heavy. Close the trade, please, on your 60-minute time frame. That's too bad. Now, we're seeing buying coming in here. So let's see how All right, buyers react to resistance here. So you guys notice here it failed. That buy signal failed right around that area. Here had a small profit. Here it's failed. So we know now that we've got really strong resistance here. Okay, so just keep that in mind. If it gives another buy signal, all right, you can trade it, but just go very, very light until it starts trading well in the markup phase. Okay, so Swiss yen closed the trade, but just know, look here. All right, they are not letting it break out right now. Okay, so Swiss yen closed the trade. New Zealand yen. All right, same thing here. And these yen pairs are really struggling. We were hoping that they would break out, but boy, they're not breaking out. You know, that dollar short trade might be the trade. That might be the trade right now. Let's see. All right, so New Zealand yen. All right, look here, it's consolidating, guys. Okay, so we tried to break out, failed. Try to break out here, try to just, right, fill in all over the place, right? Buy signal here, sold here, all right? So we're not moving higher, okay, right now. So New Zealand yen closed the trade. Aussie yen, all right, same thing here, okay? Same thing. Too bad, that's too bad. We were hoping to, these yen pairs to really break out. I think Anthony had said that the yen pairs were nasty. I think you're right, Anthony. I think that was your your wording. It was nasty. Yeah. So they are being nasty right now. Okay. All right. Can we look at USD CAD? Absolutely. So dollar CAD. All right, so give me the time frame. So USD CAD, we'll take a look at it in a minute. So dollar CAD, give me the time frame and which direction, long or short. Okay, so time frame. All right, so time frame, whether it's a daily, 60, 30, 15, whatever, and then long or short. All right, and we'll take a look at it. All right, thanks so much. Aussie yen failed also. So again, nothing here, guys. Choppy. So just be careful. Trade lightly. Okay, in those. So right now, no longs. On the 60-minute time frame, long. Okay, long. So dollar CAD long. Well, I'm gonna let you know right now. What time frame? What time frame? 1 hour. Okay. All right, 1 hour. Okay, so the H1. Okay, all right. We'll take a look at it for you here. All right, dollar CAD. All right, so we are shorting it. So we'll take a look at that. All right, longs. Okay, longs on the 240. So that was the daily. Here's the 240 here, guys. So your 4-hour time frame longs. Let's see how they're. Hopefully they're holding better on the 240. Aussie CAD on the 240. Yep, holding much better. Buy signal here, trading up nicely. All right, so Aussie CAD, all right. Aussie pairs didn't do well on the 60, but they're holding firm on the 240. Okay, so buy signal here, moving up nicely. All green candles. We do have resistance here. Hopefully we break through that resistance. And just remember, sellers are sitting here, okay? All right, Aussie, that's Aussie CAD. Aussie dollar, all right, great trade going here, guys, with Aussie dollar. Lots of pips here. What's that? Almost 200 pips. Buy signal here, moving up nicely. All green candles. And here we are right at that resistance, okay? So nothing to do here. Don't mess the trade up, all right? Just hold on. Based on the price action, looks good to break through. Okay. If you start getting consolidation in here, white candles, then keep an eye on that. Okay. Otherwise, let it run. Good trade going here for about 200 pips. Aussie Swiss. Okay. Keep an eye on Aussie Swiss, guys. Okay. It's got white. It's got a white candle here. Hold on. All right, white candle, not a major deal yet, but we do have purple support and resistance. The buy signal is here. What we need buyers to come back in. Okay, so, and Aussie CAD and Aussie dollar, they're holding on the 240, so hopefully that will help. We need buyers to come on back, keep moving higher, but keep an eye on it. We have a white candle there. Okay, yen pairs. So NZD, JPY, these yen pairs, right? Consolidating, very choppy on the 60, right? So far on the 240, still trading within a tight range, but holding its buy signal. So NZD, JPY, guys, buy signal here, still holding. Keep an eye on it. We have purple support and resistance. Our target is all the way up here. It is really too bad. These yen pairs are not moving up nicely, right? After beautiful markdown phase. It's too bad, but guess what? We don't have any control of that. All right, ZAR yen sold, right? Good markdown phase, right? Buy signal was here. Red candle broke support. Previous resistance is support right here. Sell signal closed the trade. And we want to get out of these trades, okay? When we have sell signal, because guys, sellers could come in like this, okay? And don't short it right away, okay? All right, that's ZAR yen. Close the trade, please. All right, Aussie yen. Aussie yen, it's holding firm right now. Holding firm right now, Aussie yen. Pound yen, let's see, pound yen, red candle here, all right, but it's current red, so we'll wait for it to close, okay? So currently, guys, we have a red candle. Normally, you guys know, so buy signal here, red candle, okay? You know we use these red candles as sell signals, just like our white arrows, like right here, but it's currently red. Let's wait. Let's see if buyers can come on in, and hopefully it closes white. Better yet, hopefully it closes green. Okay, so we'll hold it for now, but definitely keep an eye on that candle. Okay, you might see it go back and forth from white to red there. New Zealand dollar. All right, New Zealand dollar. Look at New Zealand dollar. Beautiful trade here, guys. Buy signal was here. All right, here is your markdown phase. I would say don't be lazy like me. Go ahead. And I've been doing this so long, right? But don't be lazy like me, especially our new traders. Go ahead and bring in your lines. This will help you stay focused on the move. Buy signal here on a break of resistance right here. I know it's high in the markup phase, but boy, look at that. Breaking resistance here, getting past a lot of resistance right here. So it's getting past. Next area of resistance is right here. Great trade setup so far. That's for about 150 pips right about there so far. Okay, so nice move there. New Zealand dollar, New Zealand Swiss. All right. Still holding right here. Buy signal here on a break of resistance right here. So it's fairly early. Hopefully it follows New Zealand dollar. Okay, buy signal here. Now, the New Zealand dollar, let me say this. New Zealand dollar, all right, Euro dollar, right, Aussie dollar, those trades, because it's the inverse of the dollar pair. So as the dollar index moves lower, Aussie dollar should move higher right here. All right. New Zealand dollar, all right, should move higher because, yeah, dollar is going down, the dollar pairs, and we look at the dollar CAD and some of the other dollar pairs, they'll go down while the inverse, right? So Euro dollar, Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar. So our monster scalper traders, pay attention to that inverse trade, okay? All right, so New Zealand dollar, good breakout here, okay? All right, so those are the longs in Monster Scalper on the 240-minute time frame. So now let's take a look at the shorts. We've got shorts on the 60-minute time frame. On the 60-minute time frame here. Shorts, and we're shorting the dollar right now. All right, now my only regret is that we didn't load up on these dollar trades, right? We didn't send out more alerts, but the dollar was choppy, guys. It just started breaking out, so you got to wait. Sometimes you miss these trades, but you got to wait for real confirmation, okay? But I think we've got real confirmation now. So we only in a few of them, okay? So the dollar CAD. So you mentioned the dollar CAD long. Hold on, let's take a look here. So definitely not long. And we'll take a look here. So shorts, 60-minute time frame here, shorts. So CAD long on the 1 hour time frame, absolutely not. Okay? Absolutely not. So let me show you why here. All right. So here's the dollar CAD. We're in this already. Short. Sell short signal was right here. Here is the short. Okay. So going long, absolutely not. All right. Not on the 60-minute time frame. Not on the, all right, not on the 30-minute time frame. Look at that, right? Sellers are definitely in control, probably on every time frame, even the 15-minute time frame. See here, we have a sell short signal to keep going lower. So no longs in any of the dollar pairs, okay? Not right now. Even on the 5-minute, we got a new sell short signal here to move lower, okay? Big picture on the daily time frame, look at that. It's going lower even on the daily time frame. And then we have support here. All right, we have support here that it's looking to break through that support. Look where we are right here, okay? If we would look for longs, we'd be looking for the price to break through resistance levels, right? It's going up. Big picture going up. So it's going down, so we would look for shorts. On the weekly time frame, on dollar CAD, look here, right? Failed to break through that resistance, and we've got a trend line. This is looking really good to break down. Let's see here. Okay, so here's our trend line right here. Look at that. Okay, trend line, see where it held right here? All right, white candles here. We're making lower highs, right? Lower lows here. Here we are. We break through that trend line. We are going much lower, okay? So, okay, all right. An inverted head and shoulder. Okay, all right. Yeah, but now you might get a trade on the smaller time frame, but no. On the 60-minute, absolutely. Now, that's going down. That's going down. Look at that. All that selling here. All right. Markdown fit. All these red candles. Sellers are definitely in control. All right. And we are shorting it there. Okay. All right. All right. So dollar CAD. The next short that we're in, dollar pairs, USD PLN. Another great short here. So short here, buy to cover. So short, buy to cover. And guess what? This one closed, all right? So close the trade. So USD PLN, close the trade, please, guys. So buy to cover here, close the trade, okay? USD PLN, USD Swiss, dollar Swiss. Look at dollar Swiss, okay? Great short here. So short right in here. Look at that price action, guys. Really good price action. Those of you trading monster scalper, right? Good job if you took the short trade here. So dollar Swiss, great job. We don't have to trade all of them. Just find your spot. Okay, so dollar CAD will continue to hold. We will look for opportunities this evening. All right, in monster scalper. So dollar CAD short continue to hold. Dollar Swiss short will continue to hold. Let's take a quick look at the daily. We'll do that in monster scalper. Okay, so great shorts going there. On the 60-minute time frame, and we've got a bunch on the 240. All right, on the 240. We missed a few on the 60, but we are loaded up on the 240. So let's take a look at those. All right, on the 240 shorts in a monster scalper. All right, shorting the dollar. And remember, guys, the dollar index breaking support, moving lower. Currently, it's down. So, all right, we want to make sure we're on the right side, right? Right side of the market, right side of the trade. That makes it so much easier. Okay. All right. So USD and okay, sell short signal here, guys. We went short right about here. Right, good short going, and guess what? We're breaking support here. All right, good short going, and we have a lot of support here, and we're breaking through. That's another leg down. If it goes lower, guess what? We don't have any more support here. It could go much, much lower. So USD and okay, moving down nicely. Here's your markup, mark down. Okay, beautiful chart here, breaking support, great trade. Okay, USD PLN. All right, so you look at USD PLN, guys, on the 240. Great short here. All right, sell short signal here. Broke support. All right, keeps moving down nicely here. Only concern with this is we have yellow support and resistance. Keep an eye on this. All right, so within the price, now, candles hasn't changed, so sellers are still in control. However, just within the price here, we've got, and this is what will get us, really mess us up, right? So within the trend, the markdown phase, we might have higher highs, okay, within higher lows within it, okay? And sometimes like that inverted head and shoulder, yeah, that will happen, but guess what? The overall trend is down. So just because, right, we see that noise, we get that noise within the trend, doesn't mean that that trend is over, okay? So sell short signal here, holding firm, moving lower. All right, USD PLN on the 240. USD MXN, okay? That trade closed. So sell short signal was here. Buyers came in, all right? Buyers came in. Green candle, right? Cover the trade, okay? So sell short signal, buy to cover, close the trade. So USD MXN, close the trade, please, on the 240. USD HUF, sell short signal is here, and that trade is doing really well, and it's at support all the way down here, okay? So support is here, and it is breaking through support. So the dollar, guys, the dollar index, as you guys know, it just broke support, all right? And these pairs are breaking support levels also. So USD HUF, great trades going here, guys. USD SEK, not a good trade. Broke support right here. Here is our signal, our sell short signal to go short right here. Right here, we see our red arrow right here. I know it's hard to see. Red arrow, little triangle right here. This was our sell short signal to go short. Beautiful trade here. Okay, all big candles moving lower on the 240. Lots of pips here. Okay, and we've gotten past all support levels here on the 240. Really good trade. That's a falling knife. Lots of pips. So hopefully you guys got on the shorts. Okay. All right. USD DKK, another great short here. So these dollar pairs. So this is the best trade right now, right? It changed from the yen pairs. Well, you know, the yen pairs, we went long. You guys did well. We went long, then went short. And now they're consolidating. So right now, right, the dollar short, that's the trade. Okay, so sell short signal here, moving down nicely, guys. Look at that. All right, really good short. All red candles, no support and resistance. All right, beautiful trade here. So USD, DKK, and no support levels, no further support levels on the 240. So nothing to hold the trade back. All right, USD, DKK. Next one, USD, CNH. All right, that's fairly early in the trade. Support levels are here. All right. Support levels are here. Sell short signal here, right? We're breaking through that support. We have further, I wouldn't call this support, just a low, but keep an eye on that. Traders will sometimes, right, use this as a target right here, just a low, not support, just a low. All right, but early in this trade, and if you guys look here, it's moving lower. Okay, so we got lower highs, lower lows, broke support here. All right, USD CNH, dollar Swiss. So we're shorting it on the 60-minute, and here we are, beautiful trade on the 240. All right, so broke support here. All right, guys, what we want and what we think might happen doesn't matter, right? We follow the price action. So yes, we were hoping that these yen pairs would move higher. Guess what? Dollar pairs are moving lower, okay? They're going short, so guess what? We've got to jump on the trade, all right? And we've got to do it fairly quickly, all right? Otherwise, we look up and that trade is done and we're chasing it, okay? So we don't want to do that. Follow the overall trend, the price action. That's all that matters. USD Swiss, sell short signal here on a break of support. Good short trade going here. All right, lower highs, lower lows, lower lows, lower lows. All right, we have a low right here, not support. Now we might find, no, it's passing right here. It's passing that area here. So no further support on the 240 on this chart right here. So great shorts, guys, great shorts. All right, so far that is the #1 trade. All right, that's the rotation right now. So short the dollar pairs. Okay, we're still testing the long yen pairs. Okay, but that's the trade right now. In Monster Scalper, in Forex Dominator, we do have some one long left, which is the Euro CAD. So let's take a look at it. Euro CAD, and it's still holding. So not much there, still holding. All the other Euro pairs closed in Forex Dominator. But we do have some shorts. It's on the daily time frame. We'll take a look at equities tomorrow. Down day in equities, guys, so nothing to do. Okay, and we're still waiting for buy signals to really get back into stocks. Okay, so all right, so we've got some shorts, dollar shorts on the in Forex Dominator. Let's move this so that we've got some space here. Okay, all right, daily time frame. Okay, so USD PLN. All right, sell short signal here, guys, on a break of support. We have a long support area here. All right, and it is, hold on. So here is support here, and here is resistance. So it's been stuck in this range, and it is breaking out. All right, I know it's breaking out slowly, but it can certainly move lower. Look at here, right? Sell short signal here, moving down lower here. USD PLN on the daily time frame. Okay, USD NOK. Okay, USD NOK. All right, range bound, but it is breaking out. So let's draw this. Not a beautiful setup here. All right, but we're looking for a bigger move. We're looking for a break of that range, of that support, and the dollar index moving lower should help. Okay, we have buyers are here. Just remember, buyers are sitting here. Sell short signal here, right? We're looking for it to break through that support area here. All right, and then we might have further support down here. Okay, USD NOK, not the best setup. Okay, USD NOK, USD DKK. Now, I know it's low in the markdown phase, but guys, remember that, right? That dollar index is moving lower. It's breaking support. So if it continues to move lower, these trades, this is a bigger, right, more macro, well, not daily time frame, macro for Forex, right? All right. Let's see here. Not for stocks. Okay. So we have our range here. Oh, come on. All right. So we've been stuck in a range, right? Trading between support and resistance. And here we are breaking out. Okay. So sell short signal here and we're breaking right below support, moving lower. So early, but good. USD DKK. So you guys see what's going on with the dollar pairs. USD SEK, when buyers decide to come in, we will know, guys. Okay. All right. We have a long time before buyers come in. All right. Long time. All right. USD SEK support is here. Again, very, very crazy chart here. Not a pretty chart, but we're looking for a break. All right. We're looking to get past all of this indecision. Right. Sell short signal here. We're looking to break out. If buyers come in, we'll see it. Okay. But good support here. And we're looking to break through that support. USD SEK in Forex Dominator. Okay, same thing here. USD CZK, right? Resistance. If we were going long, guys, if we wanted to go long, we would be looking for buyers to get in this area here. Green candles, all right, move up. That's not what happened. What's happening here? Sell short signal here. And here we are looking to test support, okay? And hopefully break through. Okay, USD CZK in Forex Dominator. That's on the daily time frame. All right, equities. We'll take a look at equities tomorrow. We do have a gold position in Monster Futures. Before I forget, what time is it? Oh, okay. Quickly, let's take a quick look at E-minis. Okay, so in Monster US 30, guys, that buy signal close. Beautiful trade here. All right, so Monster US traders, US 30 traders, if you traded this, good job. So we bought here, sold here, great trade. Okay, now if it breaks through that resistance, do we have news? We have news coming out. Fed FOMC tomorrow, 2 p.m. Okay, so if it breaks through here, we get another buy signal, we might call it. Okay, on the daily time frame, we're breaking out. We have buyers. See green candles here, buyers on the daily. Okay, so the US 30, all right, we should be out of that trade, waiting for the next buy signal. Okay, so use your systems. Okay, this is on the 60-minute time frame. NAS, all right, NAS is still holding its buy signal, and the S&P, right, closed its buy signal here. All right, so just wait for the next buy signal on the daily time frame. Looks good. Okay, looks good. Market just took a break today. Okay, so we're down, but not by a lot in equities. Okay, Monster Scalper. So Forex. Let's spend some time here. Before we do that, Forex. Let's take a look at Monster Forex Tracker. All right, so look here. Beautiful volatility. Dollar is moving. So we need two groups to move, right? To really get volatility going. We need the yen pairs, the yen group, and we need the dollar. All right. So if one or the other, yen, if we can get both, that's great. But yen pairs will move the market, will move Forex. Dollar pairs, dollar group will move Forex. All right. Now we'll bring in Aussie, Kiwi, Euro, Pound, but really those two groups. So look at the volatility, guys. Look at that. All right, that's about what, 85%, 90% volatility on the daily time frame, and 90% volatility on the 240. Right, look at that. 90%, 95% volatility on the 60-minute. So we are moving. All right, we are moving. All right, so shorts, dollar pairs or shorts. See here, dollar pairs are red here. All right, red here. We don't have a rotation. Okay, all right, we don't have a rotation, but there's some great trades going on shorting. Right, so on the daily time frame, on the dollar pairs shorts, red short, they're all going down, 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 down. Right. What we like to see in the yen pairs is that the yen pairs move higher. Okay. They're moving lower down. So just be aware of that. Okay. But the dollar short, that's the trade. Okay. Ideally, we would like these yen pairs to go up, but they're acting funny right now. So we'll leave them alone. All right. Monster scalper. Let's see if we can add some short positions in monster scalper. So short on the 60-minute time frame. Okay. So we know we've got some shorts already. Some of these have been going for a while. Okay. So we did miss a few of them because we had to let them, figure things out. All right. So dollar, let's go here. Dollar shorts. Okay. So dollar ZAR on the 60-minute, that closed already here. All right. So short. Buy to cover here. Let's go through this quickly here. All right, TRY, SGD still holding it short. USD SEK still holding it short. USD PLN, guys, wait for the next short signal on the 60-minute time frame there. Okay, so short. Really good shorts. So short, buy to cover. So short, buy to cover. All right, it's just waiting there. If you get another sell short signal, we'll call that. Okay, we'll send the alert out to our monster scalper traders. USDN, okay, great short going. All right, these are lots of pips, guys. So short here, still holding, looking to break through support here. USDN, okay. USD MXN, all right, we talked about this one here. This is the only one where you might want to go long. I'm sure we have a buy signal to go long, but boy, the overall trend is to go short. So USD MXN, all right, buy signal here. So USD MXN, it's doing its own thing. Okay, it's got a buy signal here on the 60-minute. And we've got, I see why. All right. And then on the 240, we have buyers coming in on the 240, no buy signal. But on the daily time frame, guys, look at that. So USD MXN, don't short this one, but I wouldn't go long either. Okay, because you have a lot of pressure. It's a dollar pair. You have a lot of pressure on the short side. Okay, so this is the only one you probably, you could go short. However, you'll be going over, you'll be going in the other direction, okay? So short USD HUF, sell short, let's see, hold on. All right, right here, USD HUF. I got turned around. Okay, sell short signal here, holding. Keep an eye, we have yellow support and resistance. Okay, so that might slow the price down a bit on the 60-minute time frame here. Okay, HKD holding. All right, USD DKK, beautiful short here, guys. Look at that. All right, no support and resistance on the 60-minute time frame. Just a really nice trade. Look at that. Okay. All right, CNH, USD CNH. All right, we're going to call it. Okay, so USD CNH short on the 60-minute in Monster Scalper. Okay, so sell short signal is here, guys, and we are breaking support. All right, so here is support here, break support. Sell short signal is right here, still good. All right, still early. So USD CNH on the 60-minute time frame to go short. On the 240, we are already in this trade. All right, so we're already in here on the 240. And on the daily, are we in it on the daily? Let's see here. If not, we'll add it. We've got a buy signal on the daily. Dollar short. That's the trade right now until things change. All right. And we're right on time, guys. Right on time. USD CNH short. All right. Oh, okay. So we missed this one. Sell short signal was here. It's all the way down here. So it's too late for that. So 60-minute, right? We'll call it. And also on the 240, which we're in already, the 240 is this one right here. Sell short signal here, moving down nicely. USD CNH. Okay. All right, let's keep going. A couple more. Dollar Swiss, great short going here. All right, so we are in this one on the 60-minute time frame. We're in this one. On the 240 dollar Swiss, we're in this one also, right here. And on Forex Dominator on the daily time frame, we missed this one. It's okay to miss them, guys. You can't trade all of them. All right, sell short signal here all the way down here. That one we did not catch, okay? All right, but there's plenty. All right. Let's see here. So these are the shorts. Let's take a look at, I know we don't have anything here. The long, Aussie dollar long, we did miss this long trade here, okay? So the dollar, let's go through. So Aussie dollar, so we're in Aussie dollar on the 240. So we caught it here on the 240. Missed it on the 60, caught it on the 240 here. Okay, so Aussie dollar, I want to look at the dollar pair, so and then we'll be done. So this one here, so our Monster Scalper traders, if you're not in the Aussie dollar on the 60-minute, no, we've caught it on the 240. When it closes, which it will, right, look for the next buy signal. Okay, so as the dollar pairs move lower, right, like dollar Swiss, right, dollar CAD, as they move lower, these inverse Aussie dollar will move higher, like this one right here. So really keep an eye on those inverse pairs. Okay, so Aussie dollar, great trade going there. New Zealand dollar, all right, buy signal here, great trade going here. All right. We have a new buy signal on New Zealand dollar on the daily time frame. Okay, so we're going to add that. Okay, we're already in on the 240. Okay, so on the daily time frame, we've got a buy signal here, blue arrow. And hopefully, if the dollar keeps moving, it can finally break out. It's been in a tight range here. All right, and we have several areas. So support is down here. Here's the buy signal here, and we're looking to break through there. We do have further resistance up here too. All right, but we'll call it based on what, we're looking for a further move lower with these dollar pairs. Okay, so NZD, USD long in Forex Dominator. That's on our daily time frame here. Okay, I know most of you don't trade on, but that's fine. So we do have traders that trade on there. Let's see here. So the other inverse, so Aussie dollar, Kiwi dollar, we have euro dollar. Let's take a look at euro dollar. Euro dollar, great trade going here. On the daily, on the 240, all right, we don't have it on the 2. Let's see if it's still good on the daily here. So we're in Euro CAD on the daily long. All right, so this, did we close this one? So euro dollar, we'll add euro dollar. So euro, EUR, USD, long. All right, in Forex dominator. Okay, and it is breaking out. We know about the euro pairs. All right, this one might have a chance to break out because it's, it's the inverse, euro dollar. And it's been, you guys know this, we've talked about this a lot, right? It's been in a tight range for about, what, a year and a half now, and looks like it wants to break out. So this might work out because it's the euro dollar, inverse. Okay, good trade going on the 60, really good trade going here on the 240. So if you guys caught this, good job. All right, so euro dollar. The last one is pound dollar here, pound dollar. All right, really good trade, guys, on the pound dollar on the 60-minute time frame. All right, on the 240, great trade going. Look at that. Oh my gosh. We had a few traders in this. I forgot. Who was it? All right, so good markdown phase. Here is your markup. Here is your V. All right, buy signal here. And guess what? We're getting past sellers up here. Okay, so we're breaking out. Good trade here. On the daily time frame, we are going to add it, all right, to Forex dominator here. Okay, so buy signal here, and we are getting past. Again, this is a dollar. You guys know the pound pairs and euro pairs have been difficult, but these are inverse, so we're looking for a bigger move. All right. All right, and here we are looking to break through that resistance right here. So pound dollar. So GBP USD. Long in Forex dominator. So we're long New Zealand dollar, euro dollar, and pound dollar in Forex dominator. Okay. All right. I think that's it. Okay. So, all right. All right, guys. So that yen long trade, that's done for right now. Okay. That's over for now. The best trade right now, dollar short. No, it's been going on for a while now. Okay. But looks like we still have some opportunities, especially, right? We always have to keep an eye on the dollar index, right? This is what moves the dollar pairs. So don't trade these dollar pairs in isolation by themselves. We want to make sure that we pay attention to this dollar index because this is what's going to move them. All right. So, so we are looking for a bigger move. All right. All right. This is fairly early in the markdown phase. I want to do this. Hold on. And then I promise we'll be done. We're on time. Okay. So let's move this because we want to put a lot more focus right now on this, on the dollar index. We need to track it really well. Okay. right, so here we are. We're breaking support here. Here's your markup, markdown. See, it's fairly early, guys, fairly early. And then we have further support down here. All right, now this is just on the daily time frame. Remember, we have a bigger move happening here. This is how we catch these moves, and we're not, right? And we can be in these moves early. We have a bigger move happening here. You see that? Right? This is fairly early. This is only 3 weeks of selling here. 3 weeks really of selling. Okay? If we break down, I mean, we have support here, right? We can actually bring that support right about, near-term support is right here. Okay? Near-term support, see right here, right here, right here, right here. Here we are. This is an early move as far as big picture. So if it breaks through there, guys, those pairs are going to really move lower. No guarantee, but that's what's setting up. We could have buyers hold it here and come back in, but that's not what's happening right now. Okay? On the monthly time frame, let's see what's going on. On the monthly time frame here, all right, look here. Failed to hold above resistance. All right, here's resistance here. And guess what? Right now, price action is testing that support. Previous resistance becomes support. If it breaks through that support right here, guess what, guys? Here's its next target. Again, no guarantee, but based on what's happening here, right, here is our, right, here is support, here is resistance, here is your consolidation. It's coming back down. Okay, it's moving lower, lower highs, lower lows. Here we are right now. It gets back in that box. All right, guess what? Sellers could come all the way back down. That's on the monthly time frame. Okay, so we're looking at, I mean, I remember, right, we traded the dollar all the way out of here, right, a few years ago. Okay, but now it's ready to come back down, guys. Okay, so it went from 113 to where it is right now, 101. Okay, right? Real support is at around $90, $100. So just be aware of that. So we are looking for a bigger move. Okay. All right, weekly time frame. Okay, so this is early. Just remember that. Okay, that's an early move happening here. And so far on the 60-minute and on the 240, we've seen lots of pips already. Okay, so don't go against this trend here. All right, guys. I will see you all tomorrow. Okay, data is coming out. So the Fed has got data coming out. FOMC meeting at 2 p.m. That will move the markets. Okay, that will move the markets. Our US 30 traders, monster US 30 traders, even your NAS 100 and SP, pay attention. Okay, market moves higher, we're gonna get another buy signal, right? In monster US 30. If it breaks through that resistance right here, we'll get a buy signal. Those of you who took this trade, great job. Okay, great job. So I will see everyone tomorrow, and we'll see what the market does tomorrow. Okay, good trading. Short these dollar pairs. Okay, but don't go crazy. Trade lightly, and then build your positions. Okay, guys, take care. Bye bye.